Hello everyone, how are you? Today we'll solve extra examples of challenge of mathematics. Look at with me here. If 1 over 1 minus 1 over x equal 1 plus 1 over 3, we won't find the value of x. Look at here, we can find the value here and then use properties about the product of streams equal product of means. Right here, when 1 plus 1 over x in numerator equivalent to 1 plus 1 over 3, it will be 4 over 3. You can write reciprocal here about two terms here. Reciprocal, then we can write 1 plus 1 over x. The reciprocal about this number, 3 over 4, then 1 over x equals 3 over 4 subtract by 1. Then 1 over x equivalent to 3/4 subtract by 1. 1 equals 4 over 4. Right, 3 over 4 subtract by 4 over 4. You can write the same base here. 4, 3 minus 4 is negative 1. The value of x equal reciprocal about this number, the result will be negative 4. Okay, next question. Next example, if x minus 4 to the power 3 equal negative 8, we want to find the value of x. First step, we can write the cubic root of left hand side and right hand side. Cubic root of negative 8, it will be negative 2. And the cubic root of x minus 4 or power 3, you can write x minus 4. Then x minus 4 will be equal negative 2. Then the value of x will be equal negative 2 plus 4. So the value of x equal negative 2 plus 4, it will be 2. The result here will be 2. Understood? Next example. Next example here, you give me information a plus b equals 7 and e power 3 plus b power 3 77. We want to find e power 2 plus b power 2. First step, we can write the rules here such that e power 3 plus b power 3 equivalent to 77. Then you can factorize the expression by small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of first and the cubic root of second, and raise the sign in the middle. And the first power 2 and second here power 2 in the middle, right? First and second change direction about the change sign, right? Negative AB. Next step, he gave me this information e plus b was 7, then 7 product by a power 2 plus b power 2. We don't it. We have a power 2 minus ep plus b power 2, they are equivalent to 77. So we have a power 2 plus b power 2 subtract by ep equivalent to 77 divided by 7 equal 11. Now I want to know what is the value of a times b. Who can tell me this example? We know this information about x power 3 or a power 3 plus b power 3 was 77. You can write the factorizing about this expression. We know e power 3 plus b power 3 is information from what? Look at with me about such that e power plus b power 3 equivalent to a power 3 plus b power 3 and the middle, right? Negative 3 times e b times e plus b. You must know this information to solve the example. Then e plus b all power 3. E plus b all power 3, we have 7 here. 7 power 3. 7 times 7 times 7. And e power 3 plus b power 3 equals 77. Plus 3 product by e times b. Oh, I need find e plus b or eb. And e plus b was 7. Okay. Next, you can find 7 times 7 times 7 subtract by 77 divided by 3 times 7. 7 times 7, 49. 49 times 7. 7 times 9 equals 63. Write 3 and carry up 6. 4 times 7, 28. 28 plus 6 equals 34. And then the answer will be equal 77 plus 21 product by AB. And then you can find subtract between 343 subtract by 77. 13 minus 7 equals 6. And 3 minus 7, you can do it. 13 minus 7 equals 6 on the right 2. And then you can divide it by 21 to find the value of EB. The value of EB equal 26 divided by 21 equal 1 and the remainder 5. 56 divided by 21 can find the answer by the simplest, or you can simplest it. 266 divided by 21 divided numerator and numerator by 3. 26 divided by 3 equal 3 times 8 equal 24 and the remainder 2. Okay, this number can be divided by the, okay, or you can divide it by 7. We can divide it by 7 numerator and numerator to simplest this expression. Okay, 26 divided by 7 equal 3. 3 times 7 equal 21, and the remainder 5. 56 divided by 7 equal 8. 38, and 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Then the value of a times b equals 38 divided by 3. Now you can put the value here, a minus b, and then move. Then a power 2 plus b power 2 equivalent to 11 plus a times b. A times b equals 38 over 3. So the value of a power 2 plus b power 2 equal 11 plus 38 over 3. You can write 3 down, and 3 times 11 is 33. Okay, again, 3 times 11 is 33. Okay, 33. And 38 here behind it. I write the least common multiplication between two numbers. Convert 11 to 33 over 3, and then 8 to power 2 is the number numerator. Write 3 down. 8 plus 3 equal 11. 1 and the carry up 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the value here will be 71 over 3. To solve the example, you must know these properties. Okay, you must know this rule to find the answer. This rule you must keep in your mind. Okay, this rule help you to find the answer. Okay, so the first property also you can write this rule in your mind to know the answer. Okay, this rule is important also. We have two rules to solve the example. You need to solve about two equations like this: a plus b. Okay, all power 2, right? First power 3 and second power 3, and the middle, right? 3 times a times b times a plus b. And then put the value about a plus a power 3 plus b power 3 here, or 77. Okay, and then simplest the answer. Okay, everybody, how we can solve the example here? We have 5 power 3 plus 25, or power 3 equivalent to 26 power 3 plus 51, by 51 and 25, such that we have 51 equal 25 plus 26. So I will put the value of 51 here. Then you can write 51 equivalent to 25 plus 26, or power 3 plus 25 power 3. And now when we have 26 power 3, right, 26 power 3 plus 51. Cancel 51 and write 25 plus 26 all power 3. Okay, cancel 51. And then we can put, okay, let's in this example, the value of x will be equal like 25, and the value of y is 26. You can write with me here. 25, it will be x, then x plus y whole power 3 plus 25 here x, and 26 power 3 will be y power 3 plus 25 plus 26 all power 3, like here 25x plus y whole power 3, and then factorize the expression. Up we can write small brackets and greater brackets. Pay attention with me, okay? Right, a small subtract by here about this number, cubic root of first, it will be x plus y, and then x plus y will be y power 2. And the second, right, positive x, and here x power 2. In the middle, first and second, write the sign here between together. Okay, I take the space here, x plus y power 2, and as the last, x power 2. Okay, and down, right there, the inverse of sign about first, x times x plus y. And down, we have y in brackets, cubic root of first, and the cubic root of second. And then the first power 2 and second, here x plus y power 2. And in the middle, right, negative y times x plus y. Now we can simplest. He give me this information. Up x plus x will be as the value. You can write x equal 25. You can find the value of this answer right here. 2x plus y. And here x plus y all power 2 subtract by x times x plus y. And then you can find the value in the answer. Okay, here's distributive properties here. X times x, x power 2. And x times y, it will be negative xy because we had negative outside. And this number here was positive x power 2. This answer here, positive sign here, plus x power 2. And down we have y plus y equal 2y plus x. And we have y power 2 negative y times x equal negative yx. Negative y times y is negative y power 2. And write positive here. The first power 2 and second power 2, write x power 2 and 2 times x times y plus y power 2. We can simple this up right like this, cancel. And down also negative y power 2 by y power 2. And 2xy, you can simple this. Here's the answer with me, okay? Covering 2. Up in numerator, we have 2x plus y. Product by x plus y. Here, all power 2 minus xy. You can simple this also, right? X power 2 plus y power 2 plus 2xy subtract by xy. And down to y plus x product by y power 2 minus yx plus 2x. Right here, y power 2 negative yx and positive 2yx, it will be positive xy and plus x power 2. You can simplify this also, then the answer will be 2x plus y and the product by x power 2 plus y power 2 plus xy. And down we have 2y plus x product by y power 2 plus x power 2 plus xy. Oh, this expression you can simplify it the same. Then we have 2x plus y. The answer will be 2x plus y over 2y plus x. I write the value here. X was 25. 2 times 25 is 50 because the value of x was 25. 25 times 2 is 50 plus value of y was 26. 2 times y, 2 times 26. And the value of x was 25. Right, 50 plus 26, 5, 6 plus 0, 6, 5 plus 2, 7. And write 2 times 26, 2 times 6, 40, 12, 2 and carry up 1, 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5, plus 25. And write 76 over 5 plus 2, 7, and 5 plus 2, 7. So the answer will be 76 over 77, okay? It's a question, we have extra steps to find the answer. You must study about this question, okay?